to create a custom family, first we need to know what a family is. Here we are within a standard Revit project. So this is the sample Revit project. Just in a 3D view here, if we select any object, even furniture, that's built up of different families. You can see you can edit the family. Same goes for windows, roof windows, railings. Any sort of object is built up of family types. If we want to build, for example, a custom family, custom families are made up of a series different of what we call parameters. So here we are in a 3D view. This is an RFA file, as you can see up here. That means it's a family file. This is a proprietary one that comes pre-installed with Revit. So this has been pre-made already by Autodesk. But you can see you can click on this one. It's got a series of different 3D geometry and different sort of parameters attached to it here on the left-hand side. You can see the size of it, the different materials attached to it, for example, as well. So to start a family, a custom family, just go to File, New, Family, and select your relevant template. So these are pre-installed templates. They come with Revit already. So say, for example, you want to build a curtain wall or a column family. If the category is column, you're going to open up column. If it's casework or kitchen units or something like that, you're going to use casework family. So there is one for windows, just planting, and these are just basic templates to start your family from. So I'm going to open up a window. You can see here it just has a pre-loaded wall, so that's essentially what represents whatever wall you loaded in. That just means that the project knows once you load in that family that it's hosted by a wall as well, and this wall does not get loaded in, only the family does. This is just a placeholder. So to start drawing a window, you're going to use your geometry tools. You're going to go to create. You're going to maybe start create some extrusions. I like to start in the middle. I'm just going to create my window frame here in the middle. Select work plane. Just going to select that one there. Start creating this. It's going to allow me to create some sort of extrusion. So what I'm going to do then is going to offset that. It's going to change my project units. Obviously we want to be working in millimeters. Click OK. It's an American template. So I just want to offset each of these by, say, 50 mil. So that's the thickness of our window frame. Offset that one, and you can see I'm actually creating this within the internal side of the window. I'm not attaching it to the openings of the wall yet. There's a reason for that. I'll show you now. So I'm just going to create a basic window frame just to show how you might get started. I'm just going to hit complete on that. You can see we've kind of got a window frame created there. So what I'm actually going to do with this, I'm going to change the depth of it to 50 mil. Want that, and obviously we want it to sit back in our window. So I'm just going to move that. Just using my flexors here, as they're known. I'm going to go back to my front. I'm going to go back and edit that extrusion. So having moved your geometry along, creating further extrusions to represent each of the glass, etc., windowsill even as well, similar by just creating extrusions and then applying parameters to all of those. This parameter is going to control the width. I can see this is an instance parameter, and the width will change. So if I load this into my project, then that particular parameter is the way I will be able to control the size and the overall width of that particular window. So if I look at this, for example, I know that's an instance parameter. I can go in here as an instance parameter and say, oh, there's the width there. I can then change that to 850, and there you have your custom family